Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever needed new glasses and felt a little nervous trying on frames in front of a stranger, wondering which pair actually looks good on you? Today Hannah is shopping at Warby Parker in SoHo, Manhattan, one of America's most trusted and familiar eyewear brands, famous for its retro-inspired frames, friendly in-store try-on experience, and simple, affordable prices. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one gentle phrase to ask for almost anything. I was wondering if. You can use this exact phrase at Warby Parker, or really anywhere you need a little extra help. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's step inside with Hannah. Alright. Today Hannah has 3 simple missions. 1. Find frames that actually suit her face shape. 2. Check on her eye exam and fitting appointment, and calmly sort out a small mix-up. 3. Get her new glasses adjusted before she heads home when you're picking out something personal, checking on an appointment, or just double-checking a small detail. One simple, polite phrase can carry you through the whole visit, from hello to thank you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to ask for help with something personal, check on an appointment, and gently sort out a small mix-up, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's step inside Warby Parker. Here are today's 5 key phrases for shopping at Warby Parker. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. I was wondering if you could help me find frames that suit my face shape? I was wondering if you could help me find frames that suit my face shape? This is today's magic phrase. Notice the past tense. I was wondering, not I wonder. That small shift makes the request feel gentle and indirect, almost like you're thinking out loud, which gives the other person plenty of room to say yes comfortably. It's perfect for asking for something a little personal, like style advice. Key phrase 2. Could I try on a few different styles before I decide? Could I try on a few different styles before I decide? A simple, direct way to ask for a little extra time and freedom to compare. Key phrase 3. Is my appointment maybe listed under a different spelling of my name? Is my appointment maybe listed under a different spelling of my name? A calm, non-blaming way to check for a mix-up without making anyone feel at fault. Key phrase 4. Would it be okay if I updated my prescription while I'm here? Would it be okay if I updated my prescription while I'm here? A polite way to ask permission for something extra, on top of your main plan. Key phrase 5. Could you adjust these arms so they fit a little better? Could you adjust these arms so they fit a little better? A friendly, simple way to ask for a small fix at the very end of your visit. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them at Warby Parker. Hannah walks into the bright, colorful Warby Parker store in SoHo, past walls of neatly displayed frames in every shape and color, round mirrors, and a friendly home try-on table. Near the mirror station, cracking a joke with a coworker as he restocks a frame rack, is Gus. A veteran optician in his 50s who's fitted glasses for 20 years and always has a joke ready, wearing a Warby Parker polo with reading glasses pushed up on his head.
Excuse me. I was wondering if you could help me find frames that suit my face shape?
20 years in this business, and that's still my favorite question. Let's see. Round face, am I right? You want some angles. Try these.
Oh. I actually really like these.
See, old Gus still knows a thing or two. Warby Parker's got about 100 styles in this store, but for you, I'd bet on these 3.
Could I try on a few different styles before I decide?
That's the spirit. Take your time. I'll be right here pretending to look busy.
Deal.
Try these 2. Very vintage professor, who also tells too many jokes.
Okay, this one might be the winner.
Wonderfully done, Hannah. She opened with, "I was wondering if you could help me find frames that suit my face shape." A soft, gentle way to ask for something a little personal, and it worked beautifully even with all of Gus's jokes along the way. Hannah stayed warm and easy the whole time, and simply kept trying things on until she found the one. This kind of gentle phrase is perfect for any moment when you need real, honest help. Nice and easy. Near the eye exam station, sorting through a stack of appointment cards while chatting easily with a coworker, is Leo. A talkative Warby Parker associate in his 20s who never runs out of stories, wearing a name tag that says Leo and a small pin collection on his lanyard.
Excuse me. I have an eye exam and fitting appointment for 2 o'clock.
Sure thing. Oh, this SoHo store gets so busy on Saturdays, it's honestly kind of wild. Name?
Hannah Park.
I'm not seeing a Park at 2.
Is my appointment maybe listed under a different spelling of my name?
Could be. How do you usually spell it?
Park. But my sister booked it for me, and she always adds an extra E by mistake.
Ha, there it is. Park, with an E, 2 o'clock. Sisters, am I right? Mine once booked me a haircut under a totally different name, whole different story.
So I'm all set? And, would it be okay if I updated my prescription while I'm here too?
Right, sorry. Yes, all set. And yep, the doctor can update your prescription during the exam. Right this way.
Look how calmly Hannah handled a real mix-up. When Leo couldn't find her appointment, she didn't get flustered. She gently asked, "Is my appointment maybe listed under a different spelling of my name?" Notice how this phrase doesn't blame anyone. It simply opens the door to solving the mystery together, and spelling out her name made it quick and easy to fix. Even a small mix-up can be sorted out in under a minute with the right words. Near the pickup counter, carefully tightening a screw on a finished pair of frames with a tiny screwdriver, is Nate. A quiet Warby Parker technician in his 30s who rarely says more than he needs to, but always gets the fit exactly right, wearing a black apron with a loop pushed up on his forehead.
Excuse me. Could you adjust these arms so they fit a little better? They're a bit tight behind my ears.
Sure. 1 second.
Is that hard to get exactly right?
Not really. Just takes patience. Try now.
Oh wow. So much better.
Good. Comfortable now.
I love how they look, too. Thank you for fixing them so fast.
That's the job. Enjoy your new Warby Parker glasses.
Wonderful. Hannah found the perfect frames with Gus, calmly fixed an appointment mix-up with Leo, and got her new glasses adjusted just right with Nate. All with calm, polite English. At the eye exam station she used "as my appointment may be listed under a different spelling of my name." A gentle way to solve a mix-up without blaming anyone. And at pickup, "Could you adjust these?" helped her ask for a small fix with total confidence. But the biggest phrase of the day was still our magic one, "I was wondering if." A soft, gentle ask plus a helpful team equals a smooth, satisfying trip to any Warby Parker location in America. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Hannah wants to ask an employee for help finding frames that suit her face, in a soft, gentle way. This is her magic phrase for today. Fill in the blank. Underscore 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 You could help me find frames that suit my face shape? A. I was wondering if B. I need to know if C. Please confirm if try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 gentle phrases that will help you feel calm and confident asking for what you need, anywhere at all. I was wondering if you could help me find frames that suit my face shape? Could I try out a few different styles before I decide? Is my appointment maybe listed under a different spelling of my name? Would it be okay if I updated my prescription while I'm here? Could you adjust these arms so they fit a little better? With these 5 phrases, even a personal shopping trip feels simple and manageable. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly makes my day. Next time, Hannah stops by Blue Bottle Coffee for a coffee break with her brand new glasses, learning all the English you need for ordering a latte the New York way. See you next time. Bye-bye.